Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Poppy Creek Creations. I'm Heather. Today we're going to work on a cross, and today is Easter Monday, and I really wanted this out for yesterday. But anyway, we're going to do it for today, and it's about Easter, the real meaning of Easter, and what I was taught by my grandmother. And that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to go mix up some resin. We're using Let's Resin Fast Cure resin. So I'm going to mix that up and get it in the debubbler, and I'll be right back. Hi everybody. Apparently I forgot to hit the record button again. I should just go to sleep somewhere. Anyway, we put the resin through the vacuum chamber, got the bubbles all out, added a little bit of crushed crystal to it. Stirred that in very slowly so I wouldn't create more bubbles. I had 4 ounces of fast cure resin. I think I probably put about 2 ounces in the cross and 2 ounces in the base. And I put the piece of wood in right there. And I was explaining that once this sets up hard enough, or firm enough, I'm going to put the 2 square head nails in right there. And these are old square head nails that my dad had found a long time ago. Can't remember where. So we're going to do that. I'm going to add a few things, some flowers, things like that. And when this sets up, we'll be back and we'll get at it. And I'll try not to goof up anymore. Anyway, see you in a few minutes. Hi again. I thought I would pop back in here and explain that I am not very happy, I guess, with what I've done. I don't know. I don't like the wood. I guess, I don't know. I think it's kind of touching down the front, so I'm going to pull it out. Scrape off some resin. Make a mess! Oh my goodness. Heather. Yeah, Well, it's clear. We're just going to put that here for right now. And I'm going to let that set up a little bit more. And then we'll put the piece of wood in and some other things. So we'll be back when I get to that point. I'm sure I'll get to that point. So we'll be back. I told you. Today's not a great day. That's okay. We're gonna get it done. This is gonna end. I'm making a mess today. Let this show that this is not some of my best work. Cleaning off my tools. I like to clean as I go. remember, this is a fly by the seat of your pants video. This is alcohol inks. 2. Good. We're going to see what that does. This is not good. Sort of. It's like a marble effect. Huh. Very thick, like honey. She's got a honey consistency. Just wondering if I should add a little bit more blue. I don't know, I'm trying to keep that natural, nature quality about it. I know the glittery glass probably ain't that part, but you know. We'll pretend it's ice. We'll pretend it's ice. Okay. So, okay, I want to add a little bit, like this was like a riverbed. You know, like I said, I have to get these open. Okay. Oh. Okay. Alright, let's see what we can get out of this. First I have a little spoon. Okay. Alright, I don't know. You think that's enough blue? Oh. We're just gonna put some like river rock. It's probably all gonna sink, but that's okay. That's okay. We're just having fun. That's what I'm doing today. I am having fun. I'm trying to do an idea that I had. Get down there. Thank you. I'm gonna use less resin than I was initially gonna have to because of all the filler that I'm putting in. What else should I put in there? Like we're pretending it's a riverbed. Still plain. Okay, we're gonna try this. I have these little pieces of wood. I mean, they kind of look like logs. These little logs. I have to make sure it's down so that it's, well, she's definitely thickening up. There's no doubt about that. What do I do with my tweezers? I don't know. I should put some more gravel in. I like how it looks. I don't know. Oh, there. Oh, that's good. In there. No, not there. Oh, whatever. It's natural. Nature's not perfect. Oh, this is really thickening it up. Oh, I think it's floating. Don't float. That I wish would float. Oh, I hope there's no bubbles under this. I'm really hoping there's no bubbles under this. Okay. I like the blue. I can't put the blue in here now. It's too thick. My stick of wood is floating. Don't float. No, stay down. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. I was thinking about adding a shell. A shell. I know there's no starfishes in riverbeds, but there is in mine. I have found shells, but little clam shells in riverbeds. Periwinkles, no. No, get over, get over. And turn over, you're not doing the right thing. Hi everybody. Okay, so while we were on a little break, me and Ashley decided we wanted to add a few more things. So I added another branch. It looks like a fir branch that fell into the brook. We have a little shell. I know it's not a clam shell, but we'll just overlook that. So I got some river rock in. And we got a stick in that looks like a log fell into the brook. I added some dried lavender right here. And Ashley wants me to add a little turtle to represent the wood turtles that we're losing in our area. They're endangered, and well, we don't have very many of them left. I'm going to put him right there. I know I ain't got my gloves on. I just took them off for a minute, and then we decided we wanted to add some more things. So that's what we did. Okay, we're back to unmold. I just want to take a moment to thank anybody and everybody who started to watch my channel, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you take this opportunity to ding that little bell, subscribe, all the things, and thank you very much again. So let's get at it, because I know it's a mess. It's just a mess. Today's a mess. Alright, this was a mess. It's still soft. So, anyway, this is not soft. Is that soft? Yeah. Anyway, I took that one out. I knew it wasn't going to turn out very good, but you can kind of see the, you know, the ink in from behind. But anyway, that was just fun. These are still soft. So, and this, yeah, still soft. Gonna let that go. Alright. So let's get to, yeah, that still is too soft. I should have had it on a heat mat. Alright, this is probably soft too. I don't know what I think of it, actually. I kind of like this side better. Oh, it was just something to try out. Kind of didn't know how I was going to go. The whole plan was to, you know, have a little birdie sitting on the top. But I don't know. It's funny because there's no bubbles in here, and I'm looking. But there's one big bubble that bursted out from underneath the wood right there. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, let's get the base out because it's probably a mess. See if it's going to need some trimming up or if it will go into that slot. You know, this is the first time doing this. And it's a matte mold all the way around. Maybe this is the side that you should, but this is the side I like. So what do you do? Well, ooh, hello. Try to trim this up a bit. Just doing down the edges. See, I know this is probably supposed to be the top, and it's not bad, but I like that better. I like how that piece of wood is sticking up and the branch is kind of floated up. I like that. I'm gonna have to order some of that stuff from Micheal, Glitz and Glitter. I can't remember what she calls it, but she puts it on the edges that she does and sands and that, and it makes it look, you know, it blends it in. So, now this. Okay. Get some trimming done while it's still soft. This has been a long day. I don't know which I like best. I haven't even tried fitting it in yet. Clean up. I'll be right back to see what we get. Got everything cleaned up. The cross goes together pretty good. You can only see the spikes or the nails on this side, very little. And I want that side up, the rough side up. I like that, and I like this rough side. Not everybody's cup of tea, but I'm going to put the sticker on this side. This is the smooth side. We'll get that done. Alright. Didn't bring my pick back in. Do you think the little bird on top would be too much? I don't know. I kind of think so. And this bird is definitely too big. Don't like it. You can't put that on because you just can't. It won't go. So none of that to me is going to go. So I'm going to leave it as is. He is Resin. And I'm not even going to put a coat on it. I might later. But for, you know, trying to get this video out, which to me, you know, kind of sucks. But I'm going to take and put this together with some UV resin. I think I should. And I'm going to take some final pictures and I'll put them on. And again, thank you everybody for joining me. I know this one was kind of a bit of a flub up, but anyway, I hope you get some sort of pleasure out of it and not a laugh. And I appreciate that. So, yeah, I'm just kind of looking around at it on the sides. I wish it hadn't have been a matte mold, but anyway, I knew that. So anyway, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next time, and be good.